What the? What the heck?
Hello!
Pala tayo. Emgon
We
Gaming!
are live.
Live na nga po pala si Emgon Gaming.
Weehaw! Nice.
Emgon Gaming.
Weehaw! Wala na akong roll queue.
Oh yeah. Why man?
You're banned.
Why man ba?
Pero ang queue ko ngayon ay offlane.
5 seconds remaining.
Emgon Gaming.
10 seconds
Shout
remaining.
to all of you, mga ulog topa.
5 seconds.
Yun!
Weehaw!
Your turn.
Ranking ako para manalo. Manalo?
How can you be so sure, Ngod?
Weehaw! Because my rating is the ultimate weapon of the universe.
Sino pa?
Puyo! Na nga nagdodota yata. Busy na.
Nagluto yata sila kagabi eh.
Puyo! Gaganon niya. Puyo! Oh. Uy! Alchemid. Nalakas ng lineup namin.
Scotty to Hottie.
And then, Jordan. Bow to your king.
According to the forecast, this one is foregone. With all of the man's
It's in the bed!
well beyond your petty needs. That's a good edge. I shouldn't have executed the blacksmiths.
Pacquiao to Emgon pag nag-critical eh. Pacquiao!
Siha! Wala silang anti
I'd gladly
Patay Emgoders.
mana.
30
KKKKK.
seconds to battle.
Help! Help! Ano yan?
Emgon!
batter up.
Lapit ng
Stick to the
maaraw
plan.
kayo.
O, teka.
Bakit?
Ouch! Kinulong pa ako. Oh!
First that's hang on. The bep, babap, biri, babap.
Okay lang yan. Ibigay na natin sa kanila ang first blood. Dahil ako ay unstoppable later.
Ultimate blood.
Na nakapatay sa akin. SF.
SF mods.
I'm gonna kill them all. Gonna be unstoppable.
Karakachem all. Pokemon. Pokemon ba yan, Brad?
Karat kachempuet. Kicking creeps, right?
This would make a great story for if you...
Yung isang beses.
Oh. Ouch. Holy shit, Furion! Fucking hell, I'm dead. Dead. Grabe si Furion ah.
Your top tower's under attack.
Oh, whoa.
The Wrath missing top. For the key.
Mabuti.
Of Belly Bells.
Nakakainis yung Furion, guys. Ma-kill din. Tapos, kapaluhurin ko yan. Teka ni Besan.
Woo!
Oh, shit. Isit ah.
Bongga. Emerald Bongga.
Careful, be careful.
A gift from the tempest of battle. Tonight.
Your middle tower's in trouble.
Shit! Oh no. Oh no, fuck that. Furion!
Double kill by Emngot.
So, dumating si Furion. Batuhan ako ng slow bomb. Sayang, di ako nag-level 6. Nag-level 6 ako nung buhay pa.
Protect your middle tower.
Kaya talaga nila ako Gonna be poppable later.
Missing top.
Your middle tower's in trouble. Protect your middle tower.
I'll run you down.
Johnny Sticky. Nasa akin yung Fury na yan. Nakikimiasa. Nice one.
Emngot gaming.
Ay.
Your bottom tower's under attack.
Makakap na. Hi, ga! Hi, Bebu.
Radiant buildings are fortified.
Benedict.
Your top tower's in trouble. Protect your top tower.
Bawal po ang sweat sa stream. Ang sweat. Bawal mag-sweat-sweatan.
Sweat-sweatan.
Ooh!
Dyer's fortified their buildings.
Okay, back! Sino yun si Mark, sabi ni Win? Ni Benedict.
Bakit bawal?
Uy! Hi, ga!
Joke lang.
Bakit?
Okay.
Para makapag-focus si Remgad.
Ay, sorry. Sorry, my faults.
Your bottom
Yun.
Hi, ga!
Depende kung makapag-focus naman pala sa'yo.
Ulas na nga ako.
Protect your bottom.
William Jake! Shout out to you. Wala nang 45.
Your bottom tower's under attack. The enemy's top tower just got undenied.
Benedict head.
Benedict head.
Your bottom tower is dust and ash.
Balita.
Balitang balita sa radyong puwet. Benedict. Iwanan lang nila ako. I'm gonna be unstoppable.
Dodota pa ba si Benedict?
Isa siyang...
It's not time yet.
Bay, nagpaplano kami ni Savannah kung anong gagawin namin sa Tokyo.
Ay, wow. Sige, sige. Hello.
Wow. Konnichiwa.
Labo.
I love you.
Uy,
Konnichiwa.
mag-focus ka na dyan.
Uy.
Bye-bye.
Ba't nung mga ilang beses Mgad hindi siya nag-reply sa mga
Wow.
dapat pala siya mauna, gano'n, ano?
Eh, hindi naman niya inaayos yung pagsasabi. Paano ako sasagot ng maayos?
Eh, bakit?
Uy!
Let's go, William. I love you. Oh, di ba?
Now's not a good time to attack the Dyer.
Sige na. Usap pa kami.
Kaya bye-bye.
Bye.
Wala silang anti-mana drain. Wala silang mana drain. Ah. Wala sila sa akin. Kaya na ako Agaling shard. Nice. You are dead!
Emon Gaming!
I'm not ready.
Ang kala nila ha. Takbuhan eh, nakita nila ako eh. Nakita nila ako, takbo! Batang support!
Woo!
Grab that haste! Grab that!
Not yet.
Push, Crips, push! Ow. Started over there.
I'm not ready.
Does it come in a different color?
Wala silang mana drain. Yak sila mamaya. Binubuli nila ako, ha? Bulihin ko sila. Mamaya-maya.
The enemy's bottom tower just got destroyed.
Joke lang, boys! Aray ko! Ay, Radiance na pala si ano. Hindi na pala ako mag-Radiance. Radiance na pala si Lodi. Gaganip sa lang tayo agad.
Sino?
Alchemist namin.
The enemy's middle tower is gone.
Dagger na lang pala ako, dagger. Dagger, nasan yung dagger natin dyan? Link dagger na.
Tower of
Tapos,
Trial, floor number 5. And then,
woohoo! Tintarin doon na pao.
It's not time yet.
Rasha Aganims. Sila. Uy, godlike na yung hard carry. Godlike!
Godlike Gaming.
Two gold skeletons. Yun, Hindi kayo nagpo-focus sa isang lane. Pugurin ng skeletons ko yan, mga paugo! Yung gaginat natin.
Move.
Wow!
Oh my god, it's too good! But no, it's not good enough at all. Or wait, is it? Maybe.
Can't keep it there.
You were doing very well. I'm very proud of you.
Fuck. Yes!
The enemy's top tower is gone. Nice going.
Not yet.
Oh shit. Hope shut on. Warded over there, be careful.
May kayo na.
Ah! Fuck!
Preemptive flesh trench.
Uy. Wow, thanks!
Boss M Ngoding.
Shoutout kayo from Mercury. Uy! Si Gion.
Uy! Sa Mercury drugs ka na ngayon.
Uy! Mercury, wala na siya sa Venus. Kamusta naman? Gihon! Gihon! Gihon na mukhang bihon.
Post Gelbs yan eh. Post Gelbs.
Not yet.
Thanks!
Yun ang mga bihon. Yun ang mga bihon. Yan.
Ha?
Yun ang mga bihon.
Uy! Joke lang yan. Grab that DD, brah!
Uy! Didi daw. Boss G yun. Mahilig si... Ay, double D rin yan si ano eh. Mahilig sa double D yan si Boss G yun Monton eh. And God, double D.
Now, nobody wins.
My bones.
This'll come in handy. I got this.
Oh my god, Aghanims na is me. They are all dead.
It's not time yet.
Bakit?
I'm almost immortal.
Mortal Gaming.
Okay, hindi nyo makakampi ko. Nakabulisit kayo?
Dire structures are fortified.
Ako, skeletons.
The enemy top tower is picking up support.
Someone's here.
Not yet. I'm not ready.
The enemy's bottom tower is gone.
Let's go. Bantas, Bantas! I'm gonna build Banta too!
Nobody's done.
Dahil itong kaya, itong mga to. Iyak na mga puwit ni itong mga to, guys! Unat lang tayo. Ano ba sila? Magic damage? Okay.
It's not time yet. I'm not ready. A gift from the Tempest of Battle. Bounty. Good soil here.
I'm coming!
It's not time yet.
Dying a little too inconvenient for you.
Not yet.
Careful, top. Ursa here. Hindi na kayo, boys. Aray.
Oyo!
Oyo!
Oyo! Edward! Musa!
Hindi na ba?
Hindi na.
Sige naman.
Out na ako.
Uy!
Bakit?
The joke lang. Mga 2 games pa.
Strict lang ako. Onside.
Enemy's top rats are down.
Galing. Galing mo naman.
The
Pre.
enemy's top barracks are
Talaga
gone.
pag support ka ng support,
Good job.
ginagawa mo offline.
It's not
Ogre spam tayo, sir.
This'll come in.
Oh no! Come on, boys. Help, guys! Help! 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 Inangina nyo, ha? Come here, boys!
set of atoms.
Wala na, hindi na nila mapigilan.
The
Quit,
enemy's
quit,
top
quit.
right decided to call it quits.
Nice. Quit na yung mga kalaban namin.
The enemy's middle tower just got destroyed. The enemy's middle tower has given up on life.
Kaya yun na, sige po. Kaya na.
Sa may
That was the best.
Easy agad. Grabe, ilang minutes.
Team good.
PLDC. PLDC. Wala eh. Sila ay mga weaklings.
Lakas mo lang pala.
baka M1 mood yan.
Oyo!
Uy! Join the party ni Jang Olofong.
Oyo! Gilbert is here.
Uy, Gibuchi. Let's go, let's go.
Chris kaya.
Hindi pa online eh. Sino kaya? Kulang tayo isa. Kayo muna tatlo.
Hindi, kayo muna.
Uy!
Uy, bakit?
Papalevel up pa naman yung ano ko.
Eh,
Kain daw si Kibo eh.
Ay, kakain
Kain
ko
daw
pa.
sila Kibo eh.
Hindi mamaya na
Kain
siya.
mo ng tatlo.
Yung mga later. Later.
Tanong ko nga kung hindi siya.
Makakakain na. Baka nagdodota habang.
Hindi, kakain pa lang daw sila eh. Sabi niya sa group eh.
Later.
So, kumakain ba siya o G?
Mga.
Wait natin, wait natin.
Thanks for the like, Junvi. Junvi. Where is he? Game na. Gusto ko naman duro.
Uyo.
Oha!
Sige ba muna ang tanggal?
Wala. Di ba